let's talk about Puglia. You know, the sun-drenched heel of Italy's boot. Here's the thing you have to understand about this place. Your trip isn't just about what you see, it's totally defined by where you stay. Because here, a room is never just a room. It's the entire foundation of your travel experience.
Okay, so let's just dive right into that. This goes way beyond booking sites and budgets. In a place as special as Puglia, the real question isn't just where should I sleep? No, it's where do I actually belong?
And look, I get it. That question can feel like a puzzle. You start hearing all these unique words being thrown around like Masseri and truly, and it's kind of tough to figure out what's what. It's so easy to get a little lost before you've even packed.
So to solve this puzzle, we're going to start with a map we all understand. Let's just lay out all the options on a simple, straightforward spectrum: price.
Now, this map has two very clear poles. On one end, you've got the super exclusive 5-star resorts. You know the type. Private beaches, spas, the whole shebang. And on the other end, pure budget. Simple, friendly hostels built for connecting with other travelers.
Okay, so this slide lays out that whole landscape for us. At the very top, yeah, you've got your luxury resorts, no surprise there. And way down at the bottom, the hostels. But look at what's happening right in the middle. You've got these incredible local options: Masseri, Truly, Agriturismi, all mixed in with the standard hotels. Now that is where things get really interesting, and it tells you that maybe, just maybe, price alone isn't the whole story.
But that's the thing, right? If we only look at price, we are missing the real story of Puglia. Is the most expensive stay always going to be the most memorable? Well, in this part of the world, the answer is a hard no. This is where we need to pull out a different kind of map. A secret map, if you will. We need a second axis that completely flips how we look at all these options. And this is the real key to unlocking the true character of Puglia.
So what is this hidden axis? It's all about one word: authenticity. On one end, you've got standardized comfort. You know, the familiar, reliable experience you could find pretty much anywhere in the world. And on the other end, you have experiences that are pure, undiluted Puglia, deeply rooted in the local land, culture, and tradition.
To really get what I mean by the authentic side of the map, let's look at the perfect example: the agriturismo. This is a totally Italian concept. It's not just a hotel that happens to be on a farm. It's an invitation into rural life itself. It's an experience where hospitality is literally woven into the fabric of the land.
And this is exactly what we mean by authenticity. You're staying on an actual working farm. You're eating meals made from ingredients grown just a few steps from your door. You're syncing up with a slower, more connected way of life. It's hospitality at its absolute most genuine. All right, so let's keep going and see how this all builds by exploring the other unique stays that really define Puglia's authentic heart. First up, we have the iconic Masseria. I mean, these places are basically the historic soul of the Puglian countryside.
So, what are they? Well, originally, there were these massive, fortified farm estates. Many have been beautifully transformed into accommodations that run the gamut from upper mid-scale all the way to pure, unadulterated luxury. They offer this incredible sense of privacy, elegance, and a deep connection to history, often surrounded by ancient olive groves.
Next up, we have something that you will literally not find anywhere else on Earth: the Trulol. We're talking about these traditional dry stone huts with these amazing conical roofs. You'll only find them in one specific area, the Itria Valley. Staying in a Trullo, honestly, is less about 5-star amenities and way more about the incredible, once-in-a-lifetime experience of living inside a piece of architectural history. Okay, so now we have our complete map. We've got our two axes, price and authenticity. And this brings us to the most important question for anyone planning a trip here. Where do these two lines intersect to create that perfect, unforgettable experience? And here's the expert insight, the thing that insiders know. Unlike so many other places in the world, the simple rule of more expensive equals better, it just doesn't apply here, not at all. The most unforgettable memories are almost always found somewhere else on the map. Which brings us to the answer. The magic of Puglia, its real competitive advantage as a travel destination, it lives right here, in what we can call the middle upper band of our map.
So why is this the sweet spot? Because this is where you find the Masseria, the Agriturismi, and those beautifully restored Truly. This is the zone that gives you the absolute best balance of price, authentic experience, and just incredible value. This isn't just a place to sleep. It's an immersion into the very soul of what makes Puglia so special. You know, ultimately, the choice you make just reflects what you're really looking for.
Standardized luxury, well, it offers a predictable, polished escape from the world. But this kind of authentic simplicity, that offers a genuine connection to it.
So in the end, you see, the choice isn't really about your budget. It's about your travel identity. It's about deciding whether you just want to visit a place or if you want to truly feel like you're living in it, even for just a little while. So the only question left is, who are you?